Asian refiners now have more complex refineries and are becoming increasingly bold in terms of buying and blending a variety of crudes from around the world while they invest in new plants to satisfy insatiable fuel demand and diversify sources. OPEC production cuts have further incentivized refiners in Asian countries to try new grades for the first time. Other refiners have also shopped for new crudes to diversify sources for a variety of reasons. Seeing opportunities in this region, Alberta's energy minister went on a tour of Asian countries hoping to find new buyers for Canadian crude. Alberta's energy minister was able to convince a Japanese refiner to import new Canadian crude to comply with the Japanese government's directive to bring in new crude sources. Also, Japan's largest refiner imported Kisange and Kunbinda crude from Angola, which would be new imports of these grades after a hiatus. Other Japanese refiners have increased imports of Latin and South American and U.S. crudes, including the first-ever import of U.S. domestic sweet blend. On April 24, 2017, a South Korean refiner said that it had bought Russian Urals for the first time, with a 700,000-barrel cargo to arrive in June, buying it on the spot market to diversify its crude supplies. A South Korean oil refiner had bought Sakhalin blend from Russia for delivery in April and May, and was planning to blend the light crude with the heavier oils it would usually run. A Taiwanese refiner was said to have bought Saharan blend from Algeria for its new splitter to replace heavier Angolan oil. Chinese refiners are expected to add almost 2 million barrels per day of new refining capacity over 2016 to 2020, even though many refineries are still not equipped to handle a higher proportion of light sweet crude. Due to the lack of heavy oil exports from OPEC producers stemming from the production cuts, Asian refiners started buying new crudes at a discount. A Chinese teapot refinery in the northeast Shandong province was importing 1 million barrels of Mars crude, the first U.S. crude cargo imported to Shandong. Meanwhile, a Thai refiner was reported to have bought both Sakhalin and U.S. Eagle Ford for the first time in the second quarter of 2017.